Hi everyone, today's recipe is mixed vegetable biryani without onion and garlic. Let's start our recipe. Take the mixing bowl, add 1 cup of curd, add 1 tablespoon biryani masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, add salt to taste. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon and mix well. With the help of the whisker, mix well. In this mixture, I am going to add 50% cooked vegetables in the water. Now I am adding half cup chopped potatoes and 1/4 cup French beans. Please make sure all the vegetables have same length for nice look. Add half cup chopped carrot. Add 1 cup of boiled cauliflower florets. Here the cauliflower was half cooked with salt and turmeric powder water. Mix well. Make sure each vegetable piece is well coated with this masala mixture as shown in the video. Now add 1 tablespoon chopped mint leaves and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add half cup paneer cubes. Gently mix. Please keep in mind each piece is well coated with this masala mixture and keep it aside. In the mixie jar, add 1 medium sized chopped tomato and 1 green chili. Make a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now take 1 big pot along with water under high flame. Add 2 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 mace, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon shajira, 1 slit green chili, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped mint leaves, a squeeze of lemon juice into the water. Add salt to taste. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt. When the water reaches the boiling point, add 2 cups washed basmati rice. And rice cooked up to 80 to 90%. Separate it from the water and keep it aside. Take another pot on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1/4 cup of cashews. Fry them well and take out them into another plate. In the leftover oil, I am adding 3 bay leaves, 1 mace, 3 cloves, 1 green cardamom, 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Fry them well. Add 1/4 cup chopped cabbage. Fry them well. When cabbage is fried well, now I am adding previously made tomato chili paste. Mix well. Now we add 1/4 teaspoon biryani masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste. Mix well. Now I am adding 15 to 20 minutes marinated vegetable mixture. Gently mix. The vegetables mixed well. Keep the lid. Vegetables are cooked up to 80%. Add already cooked basmati rice as one layer on these vegetables. Take handful of chopped coriander leaves and spread them on this rice layer as shown in the video. Now add another layer as leftover basmati rice. Now take handful of chopped mint leaves. Spread them well. Now form another layer with the leftover basmati rice. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee and Sprinkle 1 teaspoon biryani masala on this layer and chopped coriander and mint leaves as shown in the video. Slit green chili. Cover this rice with banana leaf as shown in the video. Reduce the flame to low and keep the lid. Wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Remove the banana leaf from the rice and check whether rice cooked well or not. Yeah, the rice was cooked well. Now I am transferring this biryani rice into serving bowl. Now delicious mixed vegetable biryani is ready. Thanks for watching.